Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows time keeps resetting like clock sync problem. So how you can simply fix it? Very simple. First, you have to open your Windows setting, then simply come over into time and language, then click on date and time. After that, you have to set time automatically. If you turn it off, then you can simply turn it on. If you don't want to turn it on, you can simply set date and time manually by clicking on change, and you can simply change it over here. So in my computer, I want to turn it on. Then after, you have to come over into the additional setting, and here you have to click on sync now. That's it. I hope this time your problem will be solved after a restart. If it's not solved yet, you can simply open or press in your keyboard Windows plus R. It will going to open run, and here you can simply type services.msc, click enter. It will going to open the Windows Services Center, and from here you're going to find out Windows clock. Type W, and now simply type Windows time. Here you can see in my computer it's running. If it's not, then you can simply click on restart. After complete the restart, you can simply restart your PC right now, and now your problem will be solved. So this is how we can simply fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.